Hello friends, welcome to our channel Universal Pahaji. In this video, we will be unboxing a gift that is given by an American friend to me. So, this is the box that you can see. It's PNY NVMe PCIe Gen3 500 gigabytes of hard drive. It's a M2 NVMe hard drive, and this one is gifted to me by my American friend. So you can see the read speed of this particular hard drive is 3500 megabytes per second, and the write speed is up to 925 megabytes per second. So this hard drive is 7 times faster than a normal SSD, solid state drive. Yes, in solid state drive, the read-write speed is 500 megabyte per second. However, in this particular hard drive, you can see the speed is 3500 megabytes. So this one is very fast, and this one is M2 supported. So you can see the information written here. Okay, so let's unbox it and let's see what's inside the box. Simply one hard drive is inside, and as you can see that this one is model number CS2130 and NVMe Express is written on the hard drive. So guys, it's very small, and the purpose of this video is to thank our friend who gifted it to me, and I just need to check whether this one is compatible with my motherboard or not. This one is very small, as you can see, very small hard drive. I can also show you the back side of it. The best part of this hard drive is it doesn't need any kind of cables or any kind of power supply to it. It will directly install on your motherboard if that motherboard has M2 slot and M2 compatibility, and it will directly install as you install a processor or a RAM. This particular hard drive is made in Taiwan. I can see that it's giving me 5-year warranty, so this one gonna be a very good brand indeed. So it's very small hard drive and of no weight. Trust me guys, it's of size of a credit card and is of no weight to me. So we will install this on my motherboard, and then I will also be making a video to showcase its read-write speed. So that's it. It's a very small video. The main purpose of this video is to make you see what inside the box, and a special thank to our American friend who gifted this to me. Thank you and really appreciate your support. So let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.